Hey guys, what's up? Make sure you like this video and subscribe down below. And as you can tell, the title of this video is how to make butter slime and how to make cloud slime. So the ingredients that you are gonna need is, of course, Elmer's glue. Make sure that it is school glue. And you're gonna need 2 bottles of that if you're gonna make the cloud slime and the butter slime. Next what you're gonna need is for the butter slime, Model Magic Clay. I'm using one of my favorite colors, which is the neon green. And next what you're gonna need is for the cloud slime, foam beads. And then what you're gonna need is shaving cream and lotion. Borax, which I can't show because it's just too big. And then this is optional if you just want to add these to your butter slime or your cloud slime, but you can add a sequence to it. I would add magenta sequence just because that's my favorite color. And yeah, let's get started. So first thing I'm gonna do is I've got my bowl right here, and I'm gonna add in my Elmer's school glue. And the first thing we're gonna make is the Model Magic Clay, the one with the Model Magic Clay, sorry, butter slime. So let's just add this right in. Alrighty, that should be enough. Okay, next what we're going to add is we would just add our borax right now. So let me go do that and then we'll be right back. So for making our activator, I'm gonna just do like a small spoonful of borax into warm water, not too much borax, just a little, and then you're gonna mix it around. When you're ready mixing, then take your slime, or glue, sorry, it's not ready to be slime yet, and then you're just gonna do spoonful at a time, 1 spoonful at a time. I like to do 2 spoonfuls, because I'm just like, I like doing it fast, and then you're gonna mix. You're just gonna add in a little bit more at a time. Alrighty. Then once you've got a good texture like that, what you're gonna do next is take your shaving cream, you're going to just put it in here. Mine's gel, but what gel basically does is it will turn into foam. So you can either do it in a separate bowl or you can mix it while it's in the bowl. It doesn't really matter. You can add in as much shaving cream as you want, but don't add in too much, because if you add in too much, then it will turn into like an activator almost, and it will get really stiff and stuff. So, okay. Now we're gonna add in some more activator. And just keep stirring until it's ready to come out of the bowl, and then you can start kneading it. You might need to add more shaving cream in, and that's perfectly fine if you do. Sorry guys, the talking in the background that will be soon is from my sister. Alright, so we added in the Model Magic clay once it was all done, just piece by piece. And now we got our wonderful butter slime. And we're gonna add in our sequins. So the sequence we're gonna add in is the magenta one that I showed in the beginning of the video. And so let's add that in. I'm just gonna add in a little bit at a time. Alright, let's add in a little more. Or you can just add in the rest if you want.
Yeah, you know, the only state in the United States is
I'll just be playing this again this time, so I'm moving this all out. Oops. Let's start over here. Let's add in a little more sequence.
just think if you live in that county that didn't have that has the time change and then your work is in the county that doesn't change their time, you're gonna get an hour early.
Alright, and then our last little bag of sequins. I'm just going to be muting this out with my though. People are already talking in it, so. Alright, and that is all for butter slime. Now, moving on to cloud slime. Making cloud slime. The first thing you're going to need is Elmer's glue glue. Would you like to do any of it? Because I'll be having the music on right now. I'm talking. I'm pretty sure you can have music. You can't. Uh-oh. Trouble. Alright, keep it upside down. Okay. Now we'll be adding shaving cream. Now it's time to add the shaving cream in. Oh yeah. Here, now put it in. Good enough. Alright, can you get a spoon? Make sure you don't add too much shaving cream in. Next, what you're going to add in is some activator, which would just be borax mixed with water. Make sure it's just the same as the butter slime, not too much, and just add some in. Some baking soda if yours is too sticky. Alright, Now we're going to add in some food coloring to make it nice and pretty. Okay, this is how our pink slime turned out. And now what we're going to do is add in little foam beads. We're just making like a little platform for it to go in and just taking a little bit at a time. This is how our cloud slime turned out. Make sure you like and subscribe, and